Hello everybody. Today we have this question which says 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 3 in parentheses. Okay, so we are going to use what we know as the PEMDAS rule. With the PEMDAS rule, parentheses comes first, and in this question there is parentheses, or what others know as bracket. So that alone will give us a difference of +3. So when we get that, we are going to rewrite this expression. We now have 6 minus 3, which is already there. We maintain it, times the new answer we've gotten here, 3. Alright, so still on the PEMDAS rule, multiplication will be next because it is here. Now 3 times 3 gives us 9. 6 minus 9 gives us no other answer than -3. So that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.